Hi guys, I'm comparing browsers to see the best for a low performing computer. So we compare Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Brave, Vivaldi and Google Chrome. One of the first things you want to take into consideration is the application size on your computer. So to do this, we open the settings app and check under installed apps. Now I'm going to sort by size small to large. Okay, so you see that Brave appears first, so this consumes the least amount of space. Next, we have Google Chrome. Then we have Microsoft Edge. Then we have Vivaldi. And the heaviest of all the browsers we are comparing is Mozilla Firefox. We have it somewhere here. Okay, so it takes up 244 megabytes. Next, we compare how much CPU and memory they consume. To do this, we have opened the 5 browsers to the same page, the Google search page. Now, what we do is we open our task manager. Okay, so let's start with Firefox. Sorry. Okay, so if we open up Firefox, we notice it's averaging about 682 megabytes of memory use. In fact, sometimes it spikes up a little bit and then it goes back down. It depends on what state it's on. Also, the CPU keeps alternating a little bit. Now, if we check with Chrome, it gets to as much as 500, more than 500 megabytes of memory use. And also, if you're patient enough, you notice that the CPU keeps spiking a little bit from 0, 0.5 to 1, 0.6, and it keeps moving that way. Okay, now we check Microsoft Edge browser, and then we notice that Edge browser's memory use about 352 megabytes. Also, like the other browsers, if you're patient enough, you might get slight CPU spikes. Also, it's almost negligible, but they get to happen every once in a while. Okay, and finally, okay, sorry, we go next to Vivaldi. With Vivaldi, you're using 268 megabytes of memory and it has a constant CPU use. It doesn't matter how long we stay, generally it is constant if you're not doing much with the page. Vivaldi and Brave are quite similar. Okay, so on Brave browser, we have the lowest memory use 178, but it spikes slightly from 0 to 0.5 CPU use, and so there you go. After running these tests repeatedly, these are the figures we have. If you notice, Firefox uses the greatest amount of memory. Next is Google Chrome, then Edge, Vivaldi, while Brave uses the least amount of memory. Also, Firefox is the heaviest to put on your computer. The rest are negligible as far as installation size is concerned. CPU use is a bit high. Well, not these are not really high figures, but it's a bit more on Chrome and Edge. It's slightly better on Firefox and it's great on Vivaldi and also very good on Brave. So if you're using an older computer, what browser should you use? Our top recommendations would be Brave and Vivaldi browser. While they are not the most used browsers, they are probably the most efficient browsers. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe. And you can watch our other video where we talk about Vivaldi and some of its great features that it has that other common browsers do not have. See you in the next one.